What's the most revolutionary thing about this office? It's empty. If you run your own company, now you can be where you're needed and never be out of touch. In the office of the future, you can run your company from an empty chair. This is the next revolution in business communications. It has the features of a sophisticated small business phone with one difference. It's cordless. Introducing the AT&T Merlin cordless. The sound quality is so clear, you'd swear it's a corded phone. With this 5-line command center, you can make or take calls, hold or transfer calls from up to 5 people. To learn more, call 1-800-MERLIN-ATT. You can end run your competition, negotiate deals, close sales, or call LA, Chicago, and New York and keep them all on the line, all while you're on the move around your company. All you need is an AT&T small business system and the new Merlin cordless. Your company's most valuable asset is you. You should be free to be wherever you need to be. And here's the most important part. AT&T, the company behind the new Merlin cordless. Call 1-800-MERLIN-ATT. You'll wonder how you ever competed without it. 1-800-MERLIN-ATT.